My name is Maitreya Thakur and I study international politics. I did not really know about Aberystwyth 3 or 4 months before I applied, but then I did some research and I found out that this was the place where international politics began in 1919, and that was impressive, and still today it stands as one of the best departments in the world. I thought the course was excellent, especially the fact that we had a lot of modules. There's something for interest for every single person there is. I did 2 things. I did a student exchange program, which was in Montreal in Canada, for one semester in second year. And another interesting thing I did was I shadowed the local MP here, Mark Williams, in Westminster for 5 weeks. And so that was really interesting. There's a lot of support. I mean, there was never a time where I felt that I was on my own. I could always send an email, ring somebody, or come and pop into the office. And at the reception, there's my tutor, there are my lecturers, and my friends, of course. So there's plenty of support here. And yes, as I said, there was never a time I was on my own. So the 3 things I like about Aberystwyth are the people, the department, and above all, the sea. It's such a small town. It's almost like a home. It's like a home, cozy feeling. You kind of walk around and you know every single person. It's not like big cities where, you know, if you go out for a walk, you may not know anyone. Here, you go out for a walk, you're guaranteed to bump into someone you know, and it just helps make the place more friendly and comfortable. Don't be hesitant of the fact that you may not have heard of the name Aberystwyth. Come down, see the place, and I'm sure you're not going to turn away.